Ngayong araw na ito po, i-share ko sa inyo kung bakit hindi namatay si Enoch nung pumunta sa heaven. At bakit po wala po siyang process on how to go there sa mga panahon nila. Kumbaga, nagkaroon po kasi sa 3 Divine Consciousness kasi ay nagkaroon po tayo ng limited beliefs and nagkaroon po yung controlling dahil po sa duality na pinamana ni Adam at Eve, kung bakit yun nangyari sa 3 Divine Consciousness to control us as a human. Dahil sa mga limited beliefs na yan, kaya po tayong kontrolin ng dark force o dark energy at that time. But it's time na i-level up natin yung knowledge and understanding natin and to improve our knowledge deeper to our soul. Kasi yung knowledge natin as human in a 3D mind consciousness is nag-base lang po tayo sa physical human knowledge natin, which is ito ay may hambing natin kay science, which is kailangan pa po talaga siya ng kailangan mo siya makita, mahawakan, ma-experimentuhan bago maniwala ang isang individual na tao, which has this knowledge is belong only sa physical human knowledge natin. At as a human, meron po tayong soul na kailangan natin i-recognize, which is sa 3D mind consciousness, they don't recognize the soul, only a physical human body. Kung bakit it's time for us to expand our knowledge and understanding. Dito po kasi nadidepende sa level ng mind consciousness natin, yung knowledge and understanding natin. So sa 3D, limited beliefs. We have 4D and 5D. Mind consciousness. That is different level of knowledge and understanding as a human. Kung tayo in this physical human world, yung mga gadgets natin nag-improve na po. Pero yung knowledge natin as human, hindi pa po nag-improve. Kung bakit it's time to improve our own knowledge and understanding. Yung mind consciousness natin as human, to know deeper our own self, and to know our soul deeper. There's a lot of knowledge na tinago sa atin ng kay tagal to control the human, but it's time to set free ourselves by knowing the truth within ourselves as human. This is the time to set free from the bind. Kumbaga, at that time, kung hawak tayo ng darkness, it's time na iset free yung sarili natin from the darkness. Kailangan po natin individually labanan yung darkness, especially nasa atin. Kumbaga, ito ay nag-i-exist sa physical human body natin individually, which is dapat lahat tayo po ay matutong labanan yung sarili nating darkness to defeat it using the right knowledge and understanding na available sa atin individually. Kailangan po natin ito. Kailangan, kumbaga, if we want a good things to happen to the human world, we need to unite as one. Na kailangan tayo magtulong-tulungan para i-defeat yung darkness, the dark energy. Dahil po, as a human po, we are produced, every thoughts, action, and word natin, nagpo-produce po siya ng energy. Kung bakit tayo kinontrol in a 3D mind consciousness, dahil po yan, hina-harvest ng dark energy o dark forces yung energy natin, ng human energy natin, para po mapalakas yung enerhiya nila kung bakit pinapahirapan yung tao. We put the human into a suffering, pain, and fear para po sila makaharvest ng negative energy sa human world. Kung bakit tayo nahihirapan, hindi po talaga si God ang nagpapahirap sa tao, kundi ang dark forces and dark energy. Yung mga yan ang nagpahirap sa tao. Dahil po yan sa law of attraction. Dahil po, what we think, what we do, kung ano action natin. So, nilalabas natin po yun is energy. And then, sa law of attraction, kung ano ina-attract mo, yung babalik. So, as a limited beliefs sa 3D mind consciousness, in-attract po ng human dati yung negative energy, kung bakit, kumbaga sa 3D mind consciousness is all about suffering, pain, separation. May mga judgment pa siya dahil everything ay based sa physical human world, and every happiness of human naka-attach into the material things, sa mga tao sa paligid niya, sa mga pets, at kung ano-ano pang makikita natin in this physical human world, the happiness of human attached there in the 3D mind consciousness. But every level of mind consciousness, different knowledge and understanding about our life as a human. Kaya po, it's time naman na i-level up natin yung mind consciousness natin kasi yung mga gadgets nga natin dyan is upgraded na, pero yung karunungan natin as human ay kailangan din natin i-upgrade ito in a natural way, which has kailangan po natin maging open sa sarili natin to receive a knowledge and understanding, to level up our own mind consciousness. To know the truth within ourselves is to set free ourselves from the darkness, and to know what is the truth within ourselves, we know on how to defeat the dark forces, and we can fight against them in our daily life. Kung bakit I'm here sharing and guiding all of you para matututo din kayo. It's time to set free ourselves, and para ma-set free din natin yung sarili natin from suffering and pain sa physical world na to, dahil po it's time to feel the joy, love, peace, happiness, unity, and balance, harmony sa buhay natin individually. So each of us is nakadepende sa atin yung kaligtasan natin, dahil the rapture na tinatawag din naman kasi is hindi po yun ibig sabihin na bitbitin kayo at dadalhin sa kabilang mundo. Hindi po. We have one earth only. Meron tayong iisang mundo lamang na dapat natin pahalagahan. Yes, we have a different solar system. Every planet merong nakatira po dyan. May mga, yan po ay home base ng mga, dahil nga nasa outer space sila, tawag natin sa kanila alien. So there is a people din na may mga nakatira talaga dyan na hindi po siya nakikita ng human eye natin, dahil nag-i-exist po sila sa field of spirituality. Kaya po, as a human, we need to expand our knowledge and understanding para po ma-set free natin yung sarili natin individually and to know the truth within ourselves.